Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope we are in good condition, happy and excited. Let me introduce our group. We are from Group D. We will present the result of our discussion about the material, reflecting on intercultural experience and taking responsibility, challenge, stereotype, and prejudice. Okay, before that, let me introduce our group. My name is Yani Novitasari. My NPM 210400034 as moderator and speaker, and my partner Fitria Aryani and Sofia Wildani as speaker. Okay, the first material will be explained by me. Okay, the first one, reflecting on intercultural experience and taking responsibility, challenge, and stereotypes and prejudice. Stereotypes are fight over generalized belief about a particular group of people or culture. They often arise from a kernel of truth or half-truth and can be based on some reality, albeit inaccurate or incomplete. Prejudice are negative attitudes towards a group or individual based on these stereotypes. Next, reflecting on intercultural experience and taking responsibility, challenge stereotype and prejudice. Reflecting on intercultural experience and taking responsibility involves examining one's own biases, challenging stereotypes, and actively working to combat prejudice and interaction with individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds.
Okay, my name is Evelyn, the next material. Here's how you can effectively challenge stereotypes and prejudices through reflection and action. Self-reflection. Start by reflection on your own belief, attitude, and perception about different cultural groups. Consider how stereotypes and prejudices may have influenced your perception and before in past intercultural interaction. Next, identify stereotypes. Identify common stereotypes or misconceptions you may hold about specific cultural group. These stereotypes could relate to ethnicity, nationality, religion, gender, socioeconomic status, or their factor. Next is main origins. Examine the origins of these stereotypes and prejudices. Rely on the source of information or experience that might have contributed to the information of this basis, such as media, prosely, personal anecdotes, or cultural narrative. Next, question assertion. Question the validity of strategy and prejudice by challenges, assertion, and generation. Consider the diversity within cultural group and recognizes that individual cannot be defined solely by their cultural identity.
And the next, see diverse perspective. See out diverse perspective and experience to contract stereotypes and broaden your understanding of different cultural groups. Engage in meaningful conversation with individuals from diverse backgrounds and listen to their stories and perspectives. And the next, educate yourself. Educate yourself about the history, culture, and group and contribute of different cultural groups. Take initiative to learn about the complexity and nuance of culture, identity via surface level stereotypes. And the next, expose yourself to diversity. Expose yourself to diversity culture experience through travel, culture, event, literature, film, and another form of media. Immersing yourself in different cultural contexts. Cultural context can challenge stereotypes and promote empathy and understanding. And the next, practice empathy. Practice empathy by putting yourself in the shoes of individuals who have been stripped or marginalized. Considering the impact of stereotypes on individual sense of identity, self-esteem, and opportunity for social inclusion. And the next, speak up against stereotyping. Uh, Speak up against stereotypes and prejudice when you encounter them in conversation, media, or everyday interaction. Challenge stereotypes by providing alternative perspective and advocating for respectful and accurate representation of culture diversity. And the last, lead by example. Lead by example in your interaction with another by demonstrating respect, empathy, and openness toward individuals from diverse culture background. Made model inclusive behavior and encourage others to challenge stereotypes and embrace cultural diversity. Okay, the next conclusion by engine.
Okay, that's all the explanation from our group. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.